Hello friends, Tony here. In this video I want to install the Laravel permission to have roles and permission in our project. So first you need to go to the Laravel permission documentation in the spotty.b/docs/laravel-permission. And here go to the installation in Laravel and copy this composer require spotty/laravel-permission. And open the terminal and paste that in. Then you need also to run the PHP Artisan vendor publish. Okay. Next one is to run the PHP Artisan optimized clear or the config clear. And the last one is the PHP Artisan migrate. I'm going to say Artisan migrate fresh here. Good. Then we need to add the as roles trait in the user model. So let's do that. Let's close this now and let's open the user model. And here, let's use also the as roles and make sure you import the trait from the spotty permission traits as a role. And save, and we are ready to go. Next, let's navigate to the basic usage, and here we have an example on the user model. We added the as role trait and then create the role or create the permission and say role give permission. For example, edit the article or permission assign role. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the database seeder. And or you can create a new seeder, but here I'm going to remove this and import the user model from the app models user. Yeah, here we can create 100 fake users. And I'm going to create also, let's uncomment this. I'm going to create here the admin user. So I'm going to remove this one and assign the variable or $sign user. And here I'm going to say factory create. The name of the user is going to be admin. But because we have changed the migration for the user, we need to say here first name like this. The email is going to be admin example. Okay, then I'm going to create also one role. So let's copy what we have here. You can create one, more than one, but I'm going to create only one. And let's import the role also from the spotty permission models role. And the name of the role is going to be admin. And then here we have the role, we have the user, and I'm going to assign the role admin to this user. So I'm going to say $sign user, assign role, $sign role. Okay, save this one now, and let's open the terminal. Because I have run the Artisan migrate first, now let's say Artisan for PHP Artisan db seed. Okay, and now with that, let's go to our project, go and log in, and I'm going to log in with admin. So as admin now, admin example, and add the password. And yeah, here is the username. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to open the table class and change the username for this one. So open the employees project and go to the users. And I'm going to scroll down to the last one because here is the admin. And I'm going to say admin here. Okay, now if I refresh, yeah, here is the admin. And now I want to add a link here to navigate to the admin and only show that link if the user has the role admin. Okay, so let's do that. Now let's open the navigation, and here we have the link for the dashboard, which is X nav link. I'm going to copy this and say here role, and if the role is admin, I'm going to paste that in and say end role now. And with that, only if the user has the role admin is going to see this one. You can read more also on the documentation here. So basic usage, and we have Blade directives. Yeah, you can use can for the permissions. Also for roles, we have role. It's the same as a role. Now, if you prefer this as role, you can add that one, or has any role and so on. Now let's see if I come here. Yeah, we have two dashboards. So let's change first to say admin.index and also admin.index here. And here I'm going to say admin, save. Now let's open also the web routes. And here we have the name admin dot, and then we have this route. Yeah, we need to change this, not admin.index, just index, because we have the name admin dot here, then the index. So let's save and let's come here and refresh. Yeah, as you can see, here is the admin. If I click, we navigate to the admin, go back, and so on. Now let's go and log in with another user. So I'm going to log out, and let's log in with, let's see here, with the first one, and I'm going to copy only the email here and paste it, add the password, say login. Yeah, as you can see, we don't see the admin link here, but we can navigate by saying here admin. Okay, and yeah, here we are. To protect that, we can use the middleware. So let's navigate basic usage, and here we have using middleware, and we can add roles permission or role or permission, and I'm going to add all of them. So let's copy that, open the VS Code, and open the kernel inside the app HTTP. And here on the middleware aliases, we need to add the role permission and the role or permission. Let's save. Then inside here, when we have middleware auth, I'm going to add an array and say auth, and also the role colon and the name of the role, which is admin. With that, now if I come here, and yeah, user does not have the right roles. As you can see, we don't have the right roles. Let's go just to the admin. Yeah, let's go to the dashboard and log out and log in with the admin. So admin example.com, add the password, navigate to the admin, and yeah, with the admin user, we have the right roles to see this route. Okay, friends, that's it about this video. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget, if you like a video, subscribe to my channel and like the video, because it's going to help me to rank on YouTube. All the best, and see you in the next one. Thank you.